Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have a couple packages I would like to share with you. So first of all, before I get to this, I just want to say that one of the great things about this community is that the people work together and help each other out, and they're so kind and doing all this kind of stuff and thinking of other people, and so these packages kind of represent a little bit of that type of thing. So first of all, this package here I got on Saturday, and this came from the Irish Lockpicker, but when he was planning on sending me, or when he got the package together to send me, he also had a package to send to Joe Picks. So he put both packages together. He sent it to Joe Picks, and then Joe Picks pulled out the stuff for me and then sent it on to me. So I mean, it's very awesome that Joe Picks would do that for us. But so thank you, Irish Lockpicker, for sending this package, and thank you, Joe, for being the middleman in getting this to me. And the second package is from Snake, and he had recently got some challenge locks open and had a few challenge locks that he had and he needed to get sent to people, and so he asked me if I would be interested in taking these challenge locks, and so that's what this package is. So let's get these boxes out of the way, because I already opened them up and looked at them, and these are just empty boxes. So first of all, with the Irish Lockpicker, we worked out a little deal, and so this is my part of the deal. And once I finish with, well, this part is the part of the deal that he sent to me, and once I finish with my part, then I'll send it back to him, and he'll be able to get that when I get it out to him. But so this is what he sent to me. And first of all, let's start with this one. Here is we can zoom in now, I guess. Here is a beautiful belfry, 5-lever padlock. 5 lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lever. Very, a little rust on there and everything, but that gives a lot of character. Very nice padlock, and it does work very well. A little dirty, you might clean that up. It works very well. So there's the first one. No snap on lever locks, on those lever locks anyway. Second item is this beautiful ERA 5-lever padlock. So it's ERA insurance padlock. You can check that out. Very nice, and it does work very well. No problems. So that's the second lock from Irish Lockpicker. And the third one is this beautiful brass matlock. It is pretty heavy duty. It is the 3226. There's the key. Very beautiful. And a very good snap. Very nice. It is guttable, so we'll have to get that picked and gut that sometime soon. Very nice padlock from Matlock padlock from Irish Lockpicker. So there's the 3 from Irish Lockpicker, and now from Snake. First one is the ugly baby. Here's the instructions. The ugly baby challenge lock. Is that from J. Gabriel? It says JG on the back, so I assume that's come from J. Gabriel's. Ugly baby. There's the first one. Second one. I know it wasn't exciting to watch, opening up the packages like I normally do, but hey, I had two of them. That would take a while. So second one is the Hogger Than Intended, and I'm not sure who made this one. I don't see any name on there right now. Does work. The other one, the keys are in the envelope, so I can't see that one. Okay, third challenge lock. It says, I don't know if you can read that. There's the key. It has a bunch of high lifts on there. Looks like a homemade key. It does say Jeff on there. That's stamped over the original make of the lock. It says Jeff on there, and on the back it does say red. That's the only marks I can see on it. Does work great. So there's the third one. And fourth and final lock is this one. Guess I can pull the key out. It looks like it says FS on the front. No other marks on there that I can see. Does work very well, so definitely some great locks, great challenge locks and stuff to work on and enjoy. So anyway, thank you very much, Snake, for sending those on to me. Keep me busy for a little while. And thank you, Irish Lock Picker, for these beautiful locks. Trying getting a bigger and bigger level lock collection, so I'm grateful for that, because I definitely enjoy those things. So anyway, that's all I have for you today, these two packages. And again, thank you everybody for watching. Thank you, Irish Lock Picker, for sending me these locks, and thank you, Snake, for sending me these challenge locks. I might not thank you after pulling my hair out on some of them, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and make sure that you are subscribed and you leave a like. I got some bendable thumbs there, see that? Anyway, leave a like, make comments down below, and have a wonderful day.